Alright, we're plowing local bus garage, parts house. In my opinion, this is one of the best skid steer operators in the world for plowing snow, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that. We're gonna get a video of plowing this place start to finish. There's about 2 inches of fluff. Cat 289 and a 10-foot Arctic. Here we go. First, he's gonna push in the entrance off the main drag. Three pushes, got her perfect. Guy knows better than to put snow back where a guy just shoveled. So he's gonna take a few passes to not put any back where it was already. Money. Perfect. Clean as a whistle. That's the way we like it. So you'll notice how he's pushing each way. That's as efficient as he can possibly be. In one of the last video I posted, a guy's like, he shouldn't be turning around, that's a waste of time, just back up. Okay, so I'm gonna back all the way across the parking lot and back drag the whole way? No, I'm gonna turn around and push back. It's so funny, some of these guys in the comments, they're absolute professionals and they know the whole situation. They know way more about plowing this lot than we do. It's hilarious. It's funny. So before you're so quick to comment, you gotta kind of know the whole situation, know the whole what's going on. We plowed this lot 100 times, we've experimented different ways. Yeah, we're not absolutely perfect at it, but we figured out a way that works, the way that we get it done quickest and most efficiently and still do a perfect job. So looking at it from one little shot from a zillion miles away from your mom's basement, that's a whole different perspective there. There is zero in between time, pushing that way, pushing this way. Whenever you can do that, that's absolutely ideal. Plow this, I don't know, quarter-acre parking lot right here in the front in a matter of 2 minutes and get much quicker than that with a skiddy. Big loader, yeah, not a skiddy. Getting right to the very edge over there and start pushing or back dragging this. Got a decently long run down to the pile all the way on the end. This is perfect snow here. It's about 2 inches. It's cold, it's about 15 degrees. So scrapes off nice. Scrapes off pretty good. It's fun snow to plow. It's all fun, but this is especially fun. So on the way back, to not come back empty, he's gonna plow down and put in a pile right over there. So in my opinion, 12 years of plowing snow, 13, something like that. There's two ways to do an open spot. You can do a bunch of little passes, take a little bit of time, get to the end and be done. Or you can hog it down, like here, he had a couple big piles here. You can hog it down and then clean up the booger trails. There's two ways to do it. Everyone's got a different opinion. Each way works. In my opinion, just hogging it out and then cleaning it up is faster than taking half a pusher at a time, a 4 or 5 foot bite, to not spill any over. And then, you know, working it one at a time. If you just hog down it and then clean it up, in my opinion, that's a little quicker. Either way, it gets it done. almost got it back on the sidewalk. Woo! One more, I'll be good. But that's just this little bit. What's that? Yeah, from that little bit from that container over to the pile. Yeah. This is also his first time ever plowing this lot, so I bet after he did it 5-10 times, he might do a couple things different, but getting her done. He's heading back over to meet you. You're going so fast the drives are smoking. They're steaming.
I'm sure they're just it's cold out too. I'm sure.
Yeah. You know you're getting something done if the paint is burned off and your drives are smoking. So you're getting something done.
Yeah. I think the 259 was better. It can handle it can handle the 2-speed better.
Right.
It bog out as much.
Right, especially in the snow because you're not working it.
And the same thing too is like there's a lot of traction right now.
Right. Yeah, it's not icy at all really. It's a little snowy. Off to the next one. A little bit of salt and this will be perfect. What do you guys think? Is this like the worst job you ever seen? I think it's pretty good. What do you think? Comment below. There's two ways to do this too. It's to go straight up and straight back and back drag, or the way he did, kind of swoop up and pull it out. It's a lot less backing up that way, which everyone knows the less backing up you can do, the better. Less chance of someone getting run over. So that's the goal. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.